Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's introduce myself. My name is Aziza Mutaharatul Jannah. My ID number study 20400124028, and I'm from English Education Department. And here I want to tell my answer the assessment Introduction to Linguistics. Yes, I agree, because the language is symbol or one mean that humans use to communicate, such as sound orally or symbol if in writing, and of course meaning that understood by language user. And communication is process exchanging information between individuals through language methods, which involves sender and recipient of the message, be it through verbal, writing, facial expression, or other non-verbal symbol. Is basic expert opinion according to Hernandez A. and Garay O. 2005 number 31 said communication is a process social interaction through verbal or non-verbal nature, with identity of transmission of the influence, with and without intention, and the behavior of the basic mission. And from the online opinion, according say communication is which process information between individual through a system or symbol sign or behavior. And other opinions also say communication is a process exchanging information by talking or writing or radio signal. There are three types communication that human have, namely the first, speech communication system. Speech is produced when we are speaking. It's requested and directly combining segmental form and consonant sound, and suprasegmental is stress and intonation, produced by consonant or speech organ such as mouth, teeth, lips, tongue, nose, and throat. And the second is writing communication system. In addition to speech, writing is used to communication system commonly used by human in daily life interaction. And the third is gesture communication system. Gesture is also organized non-verbal or vocal communications human which part of human body as such as finger, head movements as well facial to communicate certain information or message. Human social interaction either used to reference speech or used to accompany speech. There are six. The one, chronology of the topics. Chronology of the topics is understand the topics speech with the audience. The second, chronology of the audience. The third is chronology of the context. Understand that context with the audience speech. The fourth, chronology of the effective communication. The five is chronology of the speech structure communication, and the six is chronology of the presentation techniques. Writing is the second communication system commonly used by human in daily life interaction. Linguistics are generally more understand in exploring speech than writing due to the main reason. The reason why writing is the often viewed and reaction to speech. The second, many Response of observation, Wilkinson and James Britton said, show that children acquire ability to speak and to listen before the acquire their ability and write. The third, human brains are natural to right to speak. They are not natural right to read and to write and to the right. Mods L and Thomas, number 6, 2009. There are 4 types of chronology of the that are used. The one is chronology of the content or information. Content refers to the information system in writing that the text. The second is chronology of the linguistic, word, spelling, and grammar. Chronology of the linguistic refers to the ability to encode information into language components such as word, parsers, sentences by using correct spelling and grammar. The third is chronology of the organizing way of organizing information. The fourth is chronology of the style way of the expressing information. Chronology of the style refers to the ability to arrange paragraphs in a good text structure. There are 2 kinds of the perspective regarding gesture. The first perspective view gesture as an independent communication system, which is the separate from speech. The second one regards that the gesture and speech collective shape a single system of communication, since they both are connected to the same thought process, are connected to the plain and mind or talk. They use different modality expression to convey message. Informative gesture, also known as passive gesture, give information. Concerning the speaking style, saving us to speech, and not concerning that the speaker intends to communicate hand and arms, head nodding and shaking gesture are intentionality and meaningful made by individuals. And as always, to communication message by using his or her hand and sign language. Communicate gesture are intentionality and meaningful made by individuals as a way of communication. Message his or her hand and sign language. And what is included in language and communicative gesture? The type of gesture is organized and saying language, component which as a format modality to convey meaning, in which meaning is expressed through a sign system using hand or combination its own grammar and lexion. Yes, agree, because sign language, which are primarily developed and used among communication of deaf people and hearing people who are unable to speak physically. There are 3 components do deaf need learning, namely the manual alphabet of sign language, the second the lexion of sign language, the third the syntax of sign language.